The BMW M4 is built for one thing: pure driving excitement. From the very first look, its aggressive front fascia, oversized kidney grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and ultra-low carbon fiber splitter make it clear that this coupe means business. The bold yellow finish grabs attention instantly, while the wide stance and race-inspired design give it the presence of a true high-performance machine. Every detail is engineered to deliver speed, precision, and unmistakable BMW M character. Around the rear, the M4 continues to impress with its sculpted body lines, quad exhaust setup, aggressive carbon fiber diffuser, and sleek LED taillights. The wide track and planted stance make it look ready to launch at any moment, while the clean, performance-focused design keeps everything purposeful. It's a rear end that perfectly reflects the car's motorsport heritage. From the side profile, the M4 showcases classic sports coupe proportions. The long hood, low roofline, muscular rear fenders, and lightweight carbon fiber side skirts create a balanced and athletic silhouette. Large black alloy wheels, performance brakes, and an ultra-low suspension complete a look that's both elegant and incredibly aggressive. Step inside, and the M4 delivers a true driver-focused cockpit. Premium red leather sport seats, carbon fiber trim, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a widescreen infotainment display surround the driver with everything needed for a performance-focused experience. Every control is perfectly positioned, making the cabin feel like it was designed for enthusiasts who love being behind the wheel. Even the rear cabin carries the same premium quality, offering sporty seating, premium materials, and refined craftsmanship throughout. While it's more compact than an SUV, it still provides comfort for passengers without compromising the coupe's sleek design. Every inch of the interior reflects BMW's perfect balance of luxury and performance. So what do you think about this stunning BMW M4? Is this your dream sports coupe? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Royal Auto City, and I'll see you in the next one.